Welcome to Study Online. This is part 1 of Time and Distance. Our Facebook group is Study Online. Please join this group. Okay. And please, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe this channel. Okay. First question. First question given is a man crosses a road 250 meters wide in 75 seconds. His speed in kilometer per hour is. Okay. In time and distance chapter, just remember one or two formulas. The first formula will be time will be equal to, we can remember speed will be equal to distance upon time, or we can say time will be equal to distance upon speed. Okay. So distance given here 250 meters and time given 75 seconds. Okay. Now listen. We have to find speed. So as you know, speed will be equal to distance upon time. That means speed will be equal to distance how much? 250 divided by time how much? 75. Okay. 250 divided by 75. That means 550, 15, 5 to 10 by 3. 10 by 3. That means 10 by 3 meter per second. 10 by 3 meters per second is the speed. Okay, but we have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. So always remember, if speed is given in meter per second, 1 meter per second, then multiply that speed by 18 by 5. Okay, multiply that speed by 18 by 5, we will get speed in kilometer per hour. Okay, and if speed is given kilometer per hour, then multiply it by 5 by 18, we will get in meter per second. Okay, I hope you got this. So here speed given in meter per second, so to convert it into kilometer per hour, we will multiply this by 18 by 5. So speed will be equal to 10 by 3 multiplied by 18 by 5. That means 2 is 6, that means 12 kilometer per hour. Okay, 12 kilometer per hour will be our answer. Option number B. Okay, if speed is in meter per second, we will multiply this by 18 by 5, we will get the speed in kilometer per hour. And if speed given in kilometer per hour and we have to convert in meter per second, then we will multiply this by 5 by 18 only. Okay, next question. See, a boy goes to his school from his house at a speed of 3 km per hour and returns at a speed of 2 km per hour. If he takes 5 hours in going and coming. Okay, now suppose, how you solve this? Suppose this is the school and this is the house of that boy. Okay, we have to find this distance. What is saying according to question? Boy is going from school to house at 3 km per hour and he is coming back at a speed of 2 km per hour, right? And he takes 5 hours in going and coming, means to cover here to here and again here to here, he is taking total 5 hours. Okay, that means what is given? Total time is given, the time taken by going from school to home plus time taken from home to school. Okay, this is total time. And as you know, I told you in last question, time will be equal to how much? Distance upon speed only. So assume that this distance is equal to D. Okay, I am assuming it D. Okay, now listen, total time given is 5 hours and first we have to find time from school to home. So school to home will be how much distance? Distance is D divided by speed. By going school to home, his speed is 3 km per hour, that means 3 plus home to school, how much is distance? D only, and speed is 2 and total time is how much? 5 hour. Okay, Now take the LCM. 6 here, 2d plus 3d will be equal to 5, and 5d divided by 6 will be equal to 5. Okay, this cancel, that means d will be equal to 6 kilometer. Answer. That means the distance from school to home is equal to 6 kilometer only. Okay, option number A will be our answer. I hope you got this. Now see next question. Okay, what is given in next question? A man traveled a distance of 80 km in 7 hours, partly on foot at the rate of 8 km per hour and partly on bicycle at 16 km per hour. The distance traveled on foot is. This is CGL Tier 2 2014 question. Okay, very important question. See how we will solve this. Man is covering total 80 km in total time of 7 hours. Okay, and partly on foot. Suppose I am assuming distance traveled on foot I am assuming it to be x kilometer. Okay, so distance traveled on bicycle will be how much? Total 80 minus foot, that means 80 minus x kilometer traveled on bicycle. Now listen, total time given 7 hours. Okay, so total time is 7 hours. That means 7 hours. Okay, now listen, time will equal to how much? Distance upon speed only. So distance on foot is x upon speed. Speed while traveling on foot is how much? 8 km per hour. 8 plus distance on bicycle 80 minus x, and his speed is 16, and total time is how much? 7. Okay, now just take the LCM and solve this equation. We will get the answer. 2x plus 80 minus x is equal to 7. That means x plus 80 is equal to 112. That means x will be equal to 112 minus 80, that is 32 km only. The distance traveled on foot will be equal to 32 km. Okay, option number A will be our answer. How easy? Okay, very easy questions. Only you need to know about some basic formulas only. Okay, now see one more question. A train covers a distance of 10 km in 12 minutes. Okay, how we will solve this? Always remember 10 km in 12 minutes. Okay, if its speed decreased by 5 km per hour. Okay, now listen, distance is 10 km and time is 12 minutes. That means we will convert the time in hour only. Time is given 12 minutes. That will be equal to 12 by 60. That means 1 by 5 hours. Okay. Okay. Now listen, we have to find the speed first, because distance and time given. So speed will be equal to distance upon time. Distance is how much? 10 divided by time will be 1 by 5. That means speed will be equal to 50 kmph, kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the first case. Okay, in the first case speed is 50 km per hour. Now what is saying, if its speed is reduced by or decreased by 5 km per hour, that means in the second case, this is the first case S1, and in the second case speed is decreasing by 5 km per hour. That means now speed is equal to 50 minus 5, that is 45 kmph, kilometer per hour. Then we have to find the time taken by it to cover the same distance. Same distance means 10 km only. We have to find the time. Okay, so time is equal to, as I told you, time will be equal to distance upon speed. Okay, that means distance is how much? 10 km only. Speed is how much? 45. In second case 45. Okay, this will be equal to 2 by 9. 2 by 9 hours. Okay, but here we have to find the speed in minutes. As you know, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. That means we will To convert this into minutes, we will multiply this by 60 only. That means time will be equal to 2 by 9 multiplied by 60. 3 3 3 20. That means 40 by 3 minutes will be our answer. Option number B will be our answer. I hope you got all these questions. Please like this video, and if you have any doubts, ask me in comment box, okay? And join our Facebook group Study Online, okay? If you have any doubt, we will discuss problem there, okay? And please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends also, okay? Thank you very much.